Good afternoon. In your final on 301, this is what you will do. You will write a lesson plan on the Three Little Pigs. In that lesson plan, you will use this format that you have always used, the interactive reading. What is different on this lesson plan is that you must include all of the 6 language arts in the interactive read aloud, and here they are. At the top of each segment, you will answer this question. On the first reading, I will use this language art assignment and technique. If this is the first reading, we know that the teacher does most of the work. I suggest that you use reading or that you use listening and speaking, because this will be a listening activity for the children, and you can have them turn and talk. You will write the entire lesson plan just as you did for me for midterm when you did the 3 Billy Goats Gruff. You have a lot of good information here in the explanation of this that you will use later in another part of this assignment. Step 1, write the lesson plan. Step 2, pretend that you are reading this aloud as a job interview and you're modeling. And you will videotape this, excuse me, for the interview committee and 10 parents. You did this already in the midterm. You videotaped yourself reading and talking about the 3 Billy Goats Gruff. You will do the exact same thing, except you will pretend that you are a professional. You will introduce yourself and say, "Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Dr. Rebecca McKay. Today I will be modeling a read aloud lesson for you on the interactive model of reading, and I have chosen the genre of the 3 Little Pigs. The genre of the 3 Little Pigs is very repetitive, and it really resonates with children. It has certain characteristics in the genre." Then afterward, I will show you and talk to you a minute or two about the 2 language arts that I chose to use in this lesson plan. There are 2 other segments in the read aloud that you will not hear today. I was asked to do a short interactive read aloud lesson, and I chose to do the beginning lesson. The second part of what I will do for you today is I will be sharing with you a short 10-minute talk to a group of parents and teachers regarding why you use the interactive read aloud. Now I'm out of roll. So the second part of the paper, or the work that you will do, you will write one lesson with all 3 read alouds, just like you did for the midterm, and videotape it. You will do a second short paper, and then you will record your conversation from a typed paper that you have done on the interactive read aloud. Now, if you did all your assignments, and most of you have, you already have enough things in this that you can bring to this without having to rewrite a paper. And you're going to videotape yourself talking about this from your paper. Let me review again. You will write the 3 full interactive read aloud components. You will note on each component what language arts that you will use. You will do a mock read aloud on a YouTube video and talk about the first lesson that you read aloud, the beginning lesson. Then that's the first thing. You have to do a lesson plan, you have to do a video of yourself teaching it, and you have to make sure in that lesson plan that you have completed all 6 language arts in the different components of the interactive read aloud. The second thing that you will do is you will write a paper, which you've already written numerous times. You've said a lot about the interactive read aloud, about the talking chapter, about the 6 language arts, about embedded vocabulary. You will complete a handout, and then you will do a 10-minute YouTube video of your explaining to the parents and the teachers in this school everything you need to know about the interactive read aloud to help your children. Thank you.